Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on a Wednesday, November the 25th. Yes, it's November the 25th 2020. We have here 3 regular Sudokus, a binary, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. The first one we will do is a binary Sudoku, and this will be number apologies, I bumped my camera. Don't be scared. This will be number 131. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, and between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and an 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O. So these two should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. And let me see, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Between two 1's comes an O. Double 1, here O, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Number 4 should be in one of those two boxes, because between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1. So this one is a 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here O, there O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here O, there O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Then between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 3. Well. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be everywhere here. 2, 3, 4. Well. Where is the opening? Where is the opening? I'm missing some thing here. Double 1. Double O here. Yeah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there? Publisher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. Yeah. 4. Let's see. Where's the needle? The needle. 101. 1000. One, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So here could be a 1, O and a 1. Here also an O and a 1. How about this one? 1, O, 1. Double 1. Ay. This one is not easy at all. I cannot find the opening. 1, 2, 3. Here, there. 2, 3, 4. So here an O, there an O could be, there could be no. 4 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Do I have an O11 here? 001. No, not the same. Not the same. It's not the same. I think we need to guess something. Yeah. This is not easy. This binary. 10 minutes. So I think this is a 4 stars binary. Right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have a chance here, here, or there. Let me do 50-50%. Here and O, or there and O. That's the question. And I cannot compare because we do not have enough columns to compare. So this is a 1. Okay, let me guess. I can guess in one of those or guess in one of those. Here an O or then 1. Let me do the O here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need to guess again. Here or there. So this is not the solution. Maybe here. Alright. Suppose this is a 1 and this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be an O. I'm missing something here. Double. Yeah. Alright. So I don't have to guess. This was the missing the needle. Yes. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then O and a 1. O and a 1 we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, what we have here. 2, 3, 4. So it's an O. 1 here. This was the. Can I compare something? 11, 11, no. 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here and O or there. Here and O or there, no. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So this should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the 5th O should be in one of those two boxes. So this should be in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 1 is correct. So this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So an O or a 1. This also, I need to compare. 101. Do we have a 101 here? 101 here? Not the same. Do we have 011? 011? 011? 0? 011? Oh, no. So we need to compare the rows. 010. 010. Do we have a 010 here? 010. 010. No. Double 1 here. N-O, then O. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1 here, no, then O. Between two O's comes a 1. Well, no comparing, but 60 minutes. I'm not pleased with this binary. Overlooked here. And yeah. Sometimes you have the luck with you, but this time no luck. And overlooked in this case. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the Sudoku Medium. Bye bye for now. See you later.